All right, guys, we got cut off. Anyway, this is our last card of our last pack. So we were about to show this, and we got cut off. So this is probably going to be the best card. Here we go.
Ooh.
Tyranitar GX.
Rainbow rare.
Look at that.
This is going to be nice.
What do you think? What do you think? 50 bucks?
Probably, yeah. Probably 50-ish right now.
50-ish. Hey, Abe.
Rainbow Tyranitar in the box I wanted.
At the very last card of the last box. Check that out.
That is a very pretty dinosaur.
Now I'm sad that this box got stolen from me, Abe. So hurt.
Wait, what else was Pokemon?
Mimikyu. Mimikyu and Rainbow Tyranitar. Such nice.
Oh, yeah. Yep. No more sleeves either.
Jackie, can you grab a sleeve for us?
We just need one sleeve.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that, guys. So, anyway, I'll have to splice this in. I usually just let them go live.
Yeah.
You want in there? You can get in there if you want.
So, I don't know where my face is hiding.
Alright, check that out. Alright, Devin he's not happy with us right now because this was the box that was his. Yeah. Devin, thank you. We're sorry. We'll give you any other card out of the whole box. Anything you can use. I mean, we appreciate you helping us out here with the commentary anyway. Anyway, here's the highlights, guys. So this is a pack recap. You know what we'll do? We'll probably just do this video on its own as a pack recap to show all the good stuff. All right, a Light Power, Tapu Lele, Life Forest, whatever, Sukuni, Heat Factory. Oh, that one's really cool actually, with the holograph in there. That's really cool. All right, now here's the good stuff.
What?
Mimikyu. I'll get it. Wow, that one's really cool. And this one. That's actually my favorite one.
Tyranitar.
He kind of reminds me of there's a character from Aqua Teen Hunger Force, and this guy kind of looks like him. I think he's the guys that are in space. If you know who that is, put it in the comments below. Anyway, that's our recap of the pre-release Pokemon Sun and Moon Lost Thunder. There you have it. Thanks for tuning in to the Box Breakers. We're here live at Joe's Card Shop. I don't know where Joe's card went. It's gone.
Somewhere.
Anyway, Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles. You know from our other videos. Anyway, Joe takes good care of us here, and so does Abe. So, thank you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks to Devin. Appreciate it. Thanks for letting us steal this box out from under you.
No problem.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, right. Oh man. Thank you. All right. See you guys next time. I don't know what we're opening next, but we got something for you. Don't worry. We'll be back on the Box Breakers. Thank you. Bye.